Want to stop a certain show or movie from showing up for your kid or anyone else using your Netflix account? Whether it's something you don't want them to watch or just a title you'd prefer not to see, I'll walk you through how to block it using your iPhone. So let's get started. First up, on your iPhone, open the Netflix app. Tap any profile. Tap the profile icon at the right side labeled My Netflix. Now tap the three-line icon in the top right. Select Account. This will open Netflix's account page. Now under the profile section, you will see Adjust Parental Control option. Tap on it. Now choose a verification method to verify it's you who's logging into parental controls. After that, you will see the profile maturity rating for Netflix. Then at the bottom, you have Title Restrictions option. This lets you block specific shows or movies. For example, let's type Squid Game. If we select it from here, this shows you that this show will be unavailable to your kids even if the age rating allows it to be accessed. You can tap on the cross icon next to it to remove it from the block list. After you are done, hit save. And that's it. Now you've blocked a specific movie or show on Netflix for a selected profile using your iPhone. If this video helps you out, then feel free to let me know in the comments, and thanks a lot for watching.